Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this very nice food dehydrator. Really, really nice. Stainless steel exterior, molded in handles, glass door on this so you can see what's going on. Nice, easy to read, large display here. Comes with a drip tray right there. Comes with skewers as well. Comes with a whole bunch of these like really nice screen trays. Put them in there any which way you want. Put all your fruit on there or vegetables. Has dual fans in the back. So this does a really good quick job dehydrating stuff. Put those trays in there, close it, and then you're on off. Now, it does come with some instructions and whatnot. Plugs straight in the back. Plug that in. We're gonna show you guys how it turns on here. Boom. Really nice large display. Just tap it. It's going to give you your degrees in Fahrenheit here. It's at 140 degrees right now. You got the light. It's got a really bright light so you can see what's going on in there. Timer you can set. And then of course your temperature. All the way up to 100 and let's see how high this one goes. We're at 160, 170, 180, 190, 4 degrees it can go up to. Very, very nice food dehydrator. Was sent to me for review.